A tax planning checklist could be one of your largest expense categories in retirement, and unfortunately, that bill can get even larger than it has to be if you're not careful. So let's jump into the key items for your year-end tax planning checklist. First, let's look at managing your taxable income. If you are age 73 or older, you need a strategy for your required minimum distributions, or otherwise known as RMDs. Now, missing a deadline here is painful, and it comes with a hefty 25% penalty. However, you can offset that tax bite of an RMD by using a qualified charitable distribution, or otherwise known as a QCD. So this allows you to donate directly from your IRA to a charity that satisfies your requirement without adding a dime to your taxable income. Speaking of deductions, there's a big new one to be aware of, and that's the new senior tax deduction. So if you are 65 years or older, you may qualify for an extra $6,000 deduction. And the best part of that whole thing is that you don't need to itemize to get it. Next, look at your investment moves. You have until December 31st to maximize 401k contributions to lower this year's taxable income. This also may be a good time to look at tax loss harvesting, which is selling your underperforming investments in taxable accounts to offset gains. And you want to consider a Roth conversion, which is moving money from a traditional IRA to a Roth. Now, this does create a tax bill today, but it creates tax-free growth for the future, which is smart if you expect to be in a higher tax bracket later. Then there are some finer details. You want to review your income thresholds to ensure that you don't accidentally trigger higher Medicare premiums. You want to max out your health savings account if you're eligible, as that money grows tax-free for your medical costs. And then finally, you want to check your estate planning. So for 2025, the annual gift tax exclusion is $19,000 per recipient, and a simple way to reduce your taxable estate while also helping your loved ones. So it's crucial to stay on top of these deadlines, but knowing which moves to make depends entirely on your unique situation. So give us a call to help you stay on track. This is Parsa Vahid with Strand Life Wealth Management, your financial lifeguard.